how to fix error 404 on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you how you can fix your error 404 on Android. Now, error 404 on Android typically occurs when a device attempts to access a web page or a server and the server cannot find the request page or resources. Now, when the error is occurred, the HTTP status code, that means the page you are trying to reach on a website cannot be found on this server. To be clear, the error indicates that while the server itself is reachable, the specific page showing the error is not exist or does not exist. So basically, for that, what you can do is when you have a link, all you can do is, first of all, you can check for the link. Now, for example, let's say that if you're trying to access your Instagram from a web browser, then you'll need to type in, now let me just go ahead and type in that. So let's go with the youtube.com. So as you can see, so this is the correct link. Now let's go with this and make some changes with the current link. As you can see, this is youtube.com/. now if I typed in QEE, now if I tap on it, it's gonna show me the error as 404. Here you can see this page isn't available. So the simple reason this kind of issue occurs because of the mistake or an error in the link. You can check for the link, and if the link happens to be correct, and if you're still unable to reach out to the following website, then you can refresh or reload it. If the encounters are 404 while browsing in a web browser, you can try refreshing this page. Swipe down or tap the refresh icon in your browser to reload the page as well. Apart from it, you can also try clearing your browser data and cache. So for that, open up your settings app on your Android device and go to apps or app manager and then select the web browser. In my case, I use a Chrome as a web browser, but you can also do it directly without going to your settings. All you have to do is long press on it and tap the I button. Go to storage and cache. From your click on clear cache as well as clear storage. Now if you click on clear storage, that's going to log you out of your account, which means you'll have to log in once again. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can try using a different browser. So these were some of the ways to fix your 404 error on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.